aim, shoot, size. Now, we've designed the iPin Spatial Ruler Pro. This helps you acquire, record, and share an object's dimensions with a revolutionized level of efficiency. The iPin Spatial Ruler Pro boasts of a distance measurement sensor that gathers more accurate data. Furthermore, it even offers a 3D measuring mode, reading data on length, width, and depth. It accomplishes this through your phone's camera, applying highly accurate phase shift laser ranging technology. Simply attach it to your mobile phone. The picture you took contains all the information we need. You can adjust the width, length, height, and even depth manually with your finger. A sophisticated algorithm is then deployed to transfer the measured distance into 3D dimensions of an object or a room. This makes your photo pixels into meaningful data, not just pretty entertainment. Take a photo first. Measure it later. Save time with your fingertip. You can also use it individually to measure the long distance between it and your target. Providing accurate, fast 3D data, the iPin Spatial Ruler Pro is the best product for all your measuring needs.
Whisks have always been messy, wasteful, and a pain to clean. Whisk Wiper solves all of that. Here's how it works. First, place Whisk Wiper onto the included stainless steel whisk, taking a moment to line up the loops and then whisk away. Whisk Wiper keeps the loops up off the counter. It even catches the drips. You can rest the whisk cleanly on the edge of the bowl. And when you're done, instead of washing all that food down the drain, simply pull Whisk Wiper off and return it to the bowl. Whisk Wiper helps you save every last bit. It even gets corners. We've got mini Whisk Wiper for small jobs, and for larger mixing tasks, there's Whisk Wiper Pro made just for stand mixers. Just line up the loops and push Whisk Wiper Pro down onto the whisk. Then whisk as you normally would. When removed, Whisk Wiper Pro catches drips and keeps your counter clean. When you're done, simply pull Whisk Wiper Pro off the whisk to avoid messy cleanups and save batter. The contours of Whisk Wiper Pro are even designed to perfectly clean your stand mixer's bowl. Whisk Wiper. Bake more, clean less.
It's time to get real about oral health.
You know you want a bright, healthy smile, but the fact is, just brushing your teeth is not enough.
Dentists know that brushing alone is not enough. If you just brush, food debris gets left behind. Bacteria feed on that food debris, and that's what causes gum disease and bad breath. The Waterpik water flosser cleans away left behind food particles that other devices can't get. In fact, water flossing is actually clinically proven to be up to 50% more effective than string flossing. And it's also clinically proven to remove up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas. And it doesn't hurt. The Waterpik water flosser works. It's been clinically proven. That's why I strongly recommend it to my patients.
This piece of corn with rows of kernels is like your teeth. Brushing really just gets the surface. Same is true on your teeth. An electric toothbrush doesn't do much better. Even sonic toothbrushes fail. But now watch what happens when we use the Waterpik water flosser. Look how thoroughly it cleans all the areas brushing and flossing missed. It cleans amazingly well between your teeth. The water flosser is powerful yet gentle at the same time. It feels like a massage in your mouth.
Waterpik water flossing is the modern way to floss. When I'm done, my teeth feel squeaky clean.
If your teeth look great, you feel great.
Our customized tips are perfect for cleaning around braces, implants, and other dental work. With the Waterpik water flosser, you can have healthier gums and brighter teeth in just a minute a day. It's a difference people will notice.
Using the Waterpik water flosser, I can blast away all that junk that's stuck behind my braces. If you have braces, you have to have a Waterpik water flosser.
Get the most out of your smile with the new Waterpik water flosser.
You underestimate me.
Much to learn, you still have.